Hello and welcome. We have the Allure Beauty Box for March 2025. And as always, it comes with a brochure that tells us about the items, and there's a lovely person on the front. And one of the things I like about the brochure is inside there is actually a phone number that if you need to call them, you can, and you get to talk to a real live person, which I find that helpful on the few occasions where I've had to call them. And in our description box, you will find that there is a code that will save you $10 off the price of your first box. So what did we get in this month's box? I'm nosy. I want to know. Hurry up and tell me. Impatient much? First up from Danessa Myricks, we have a low lighter instead of a highlighter. This is a low lighter, and we were given the option to make a customization for the color that we wanted. Every so often they are giving us options for customizations. Not every month, but it is becoming more frequent. I like that. So I chose the shade Unbothered, and this is the back of it. I don't know if that's right side up or upside down. That's the back of it, which I think is closer to the actual shade. I got it open, and now I can't get it back open. I think it sticks a little bit. But that is what I chose. And in the brochure, there were two other shade options. Those are the three that were available for choice. And this is full size. It's $25. I got Unbothered. The other two were low key or incognito, and apparently it is a balm to powder formula. And there it is. We managed to wrestle it open. Sometimes in transit, because this box showed up just a few minutes ago. In transit, there's, pressure changes, temperature changes, so sometimes it makes it a little difficult to open up a container, but that is what she looks like. And that is Unbothered by Danessa Myricks. Next up is a product from Glow Recipe. It is one of their plum products. And they give a little indentation to make it look like a plum. This is a lip product, and it is also full-sized, and it apparently got a Best of Beauty Allure award, and I'm looking to see. No, the Danessa Myricks did not get an award, but this Glow Recipe did. Best in Beauty, I believe. And this is $22. And the reason that we're going to love this, tell me. We smooth it onto bare lips or over lipstick or lip stain for a pretty sheen. It is thick but not heavy, shiny but not sticky, and flavored but not in a childish way. So in short, it's the perfect balm to keep your lips hydrated. So I have lots of balms, so this gets added to the lineup. But like I said, the packaging is cute. And I did take a little sniff through the safety seal, and it does smell nice. This is from Skin Fix. This is full size. It's 15 milliliters for $54. Yeah. Skincare is expensive. And what can we tell you about it? It says this is an eye treatment, Skin Fix Triple Lipid Eye Treatment. Oh, wow, that's quite a name. Lightweight eye cream. It's supposed to depuff with caffeine, brighten with niacinamide, and smooth with peptides. Now, I took a little sniff through the safety seal, and it smells like glue. Good old Elmer's. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this one or pass it along. I don't want to use it and then not like it and waste it. I'm not wild about the fact that it smells like Elmer's. If you know, you know. In the first half of the box, I am giving my favorite choice to the Danessa Myricks product in the Unbothered shade, just because I don't see lowlighters showing up that often, and we got the option to customize. What did you see that you liked? Do you get this box? Tell me more. I want to know everything. I am a nosy camel. And now moving right along with this video. We got another full-sized item. Oh, well, normally you get 3 full-size and 3 sample size. Yeah, this is a new brand for me, Versed. Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream, Green Tea Extract, and Aloe Leaf Juice, and it is 2.0 fluid ounces. I've not heard of this brand. Anybody else out there know about this brand? It's a new one for me. As we said, that was full-sized. It is $14.99, and it's going to give us a happy, moisturized complexion, according to their little brochure, refreshing as a spring breeze, and it's a jelly formula. That sounds new and interesting, and I tried to get a sniff through the safety seal. They've got a good safety seal, because I've got a good sniffer, and I couldn't get a sniff. So we shall see what it does when the time comes. This is a sample size. It is from Belief. It is a serum, and in our experience, these little things contain several uses, not just 1 or 2. And full size on that would be $38 for 50 milliliters. And apparently the reason we are going to love this is because it gives us an instant glow with gold pearls, brightens with vitamin C, and blurs the look of pores in the process. And we can wear it alone as a primer or mix it into our moisturizer. That's nice. It gives you lots of different options. So that's what it looks like again. And then there's a sample size of a Sephora brand mascara. I knew this brand from having done their advent calendars. So I might pass this sample along to someone else, because we have at least one more of these still to even try to go through. I think I tried out one before, because I know it has a fat, fluffy brush, which is not my favorite. So I think this is probably going to get passed along. But nice to see Sephora in the box. I mean, I know some people say, oh, Sephora is a low-end brand. I don't recall seeing Sephora recently, so something different. Yes, something different. What else does it say about it? I don't know. Let me see here. It says that full size would be $13 for 0.7 ounces. We got 0.05 in the box. Sephora Collection Size Up Volumizing Mascara, Fluffy Wand, Rich Formula, gives lashes impressive volume. Oh, well, I don't need that. My lashes are quite impressive as they are. Well, don't you think so? Yes, Fatima, we think so. In the second half of the box, I would say my favorite item is this one from Versed, just because I've never heard of it before. Get to try something new, which is for the reason we do subscription boxes. You get to try things, new things, different things, without having to pay the full price. Yes, and this was full-sized. The box is $25 a month. You can get the price lower if you're willing to pay up front for 3, 9, and 12-month subscriptions. We do an annual subscription, so we pay it all up front. but you can only do what your budget allows. And so basically, the Danessa Myricks product covered the cost of a monthly box, and everything else is a freebie. That's pretty neat. And like I said, I've got a link down below that will save you $10 off your first box if you are interested. Like, comment, subscribe, and notification bell. You know the routine. Check out another video. And we hope to see you in another video. We have lots of playlists. We have lots of fun stuff coming. Thanks for watching today, and we hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.